We're going to prepare for tomorrow night. Might end up being the next day after that. Sometimes we let our steak go for 2 days, but we're going to marinate this beautiful ribeye I got the other day. So I don't know why you pay to go out to a restaurant, let somebody else pick your meat out for you, let somebody else cook it for you, and then wonder why it wasn't that great. So this is a ribeye, and I've always looked, I try to make sure I got a nice piece around here. This is not the...
A nice piece of what?
This strip of meat going around here. I also make sure that's complete. Got a nice piece in the middle here, our little fat.
It's shaped like a heart.
Yeah, it's like a misshapen heart. Look at that. Anyway, this is a pretty nice looking one. It could use a little bit more, fat in here. It's not the best one ever, but this will be nice, and this will make for a nice dinner. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to marinate it. So we're going to do two-step marination process. This is all you got to do. A little bit of Worcestershire. Boom, boom, boom. How much? That much. A little bit of Louisiana hot sauce. Crystals. Crystals is the best one for me, but you can use whatever you got. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our steak there, roll him over, and bathe him around in here. So everybody needs a good bath every now and then. So we're going to bathe him in there and flop him around a little more. Maybe get that edge. Get some. Now you don't need this thing to be bathed in dripping and soaked in marinade. You just need enough to get him wet, really, is all you're trying to do. That's the end. All we're going to do with it now is we're going to put a lid on it. Into the refrigerator it goes, and it should be good to go. So we added a little marinade to our steak the other day, and now we're ready to get it ready to go on the grill. It's our nice ribeye steak. We're going to put 3 things on it. We're going to put a little salt on it. And when we say a little salt, we just keep on salting, 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 salting. Generous amount of salt on this steak. We're going to put some garlic powder on it. Don't need to overdo it. Don't need to underdo it. How much? That much. We're going to do some ground pepper. And our steak will be ready to go on the grill now. Now you notice I did not season both sides because once this side goes down on the grill, I'll go out by hand and add some salt to the other side. But that's all I'll be doing to the other side once it's on the grill. It's time to put our steak on the grill. We're going to put the seasoned side down. Ooh, another nice sizzle there. That always makes me feel good when I get a little sizzle going on. Like I said, I'm going to salt the other side, so I'm just going to come in here and salt this side. The seasoned side went down. Give it a good shake, 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 shake. Our potatoes went off to the side, and it's mostly done. And we'll be checking that in a few minutes. It's been 7 minutes. We're going to do a little Flip Wilson here. Turn that potato, give it a little squeeze. We're going to leave it there. Now we just have to set a timer for 5 minutes. Our 5-minute timer has expired. We're going to open this grill up. Things are looking good in here. See how the other side looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little feel here. Make sure it's not getting too firm on me. See, it's bouncing back a little bit. We want something close to medium rare. And I think we're going to call that done. Yeah, we're going to call that done. Get our single-sized portion here. Carry our mushrooms in along with us. And we're ready to get ready for dinner. We've brought the steak in. We're going to let it rest. I'm going to go set a timer for 4 minutes. When the 4 minutes are done, that's when I'm going to cut the steak, and we're going to get our plates ready. Ribeye is rested. It's off the grill. Steak is off the grill. It's had a few minutes to rest. We set a timer for 4 minutes. A little picture of a nice medium rare, maybe a tilt towards rare there. I think that's going to be really nice. Obligatory salad, commonplace at our house. A little plate for a couple of little felines that are just begging to get at it. So we're going to sit down and enjoy dinner.